Hello friends, welcome to Nas Vlog. Today I'm going to unbox Tefal Food Steamer convenient series. Without wasting your too much time, let me give a quick review and demo. I found this product as very useful within my budget. It cost me just $40. To keep my cholesterol in control and to consume less oil and less fat, I prepare steam food at least thrice a week. I usually steam chicken, fish, eggs, vegetable, and even make rice in a healthy way. We have here a safety instruction, warranty card, and usage booklet. There are two trays. All parts are made of hard plastic, durable, and you can put it in dishwasher to clean. So there are two trays, and this is the cover, the lid. Here there are two rings and rice bowl. With this bowl you can steam rice or heat any liquid food. This is the tray, bottom tray. This one is the main steamer. It has a water level indicator and very good finishing and lightweight, and there is a preset cooking, preset timer. So here you keep the bottom tray, and you can see there is a number 1 and number 2, so you can arrange it properly and it stays firmly on the tray and it will not shake. So on each tray there is a number. Here you see number 2. So now I'm placing the trays and I'm ready to steam the food. So let's connect the power cable. And fill in 1.5 liter water. You can see the water level indicator. There are preset cooking timer for fish, chicken, potatoes, vegetables, etc. Very good finishing. So since I don't have any dish to prepare, I'm going to steam my leftover food naturally without microwave. So I'm going to warm my food. I'm placing a rice bowl and some dal, lentil soup. I'm putting it for 10 minutes. Because I have the small quantity, I'm putting it for 10 minutes. If you have a bigger quantity, you can put it for 15 to 20 minutes. This is the place where you will refill the water when you see the water level is less from this indicator. So guys, in 10 minutes I'm able to warm my food. Without microwave. My food is warm now and it's so fresh. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Please watch my other videos for salmon, fish and chicken recipes.